I'm Veronica Mercado together with Russell Lim. Our case study title is Student Attendance Management System Mobile Application. Chapter 1, Introduction. Mobile applications with database. Mobile applications in most cases are database driven and designed to store, retrieve, and manage data either locally on the device or via cloud-based services. Database used in such mobile applications support structured data management for user profiles, transactions, and other application include SQLite for local storage in the device, while Firebase, Amazon DynamoDB, or PostgreSQL can be used for online data management. In summary, through APIs, the mobile apps could query for or update any data in a database on a real time, ensuring efficient data management and seamless user experience with a range of applications, including user authentications. About the system, the mobile application for student attendance management system is designed to make recording and tracking of student attendance much easier and automated. It allows the teacher or administrator to mark attendance in real time. Sa system po namin, pwede po siyang, yung mismong admin or yung mismong teacher, pwede po niyang i-track or i-edit. Pwede niya pong ayusin yung mga info if ever man po na mali po yung nalagay. And then, yung system po namin, the system will need a database which will include storing and fetching of students' record, attendance, recordings, and reporting. It supports the addition of a student profile, course, section, update, and deletion by administration. This education Android application covers convenience, efficiency, and the facility of a mobile device with the intention to reduce paper use and minimize the entire paperwork of the administration in handling the attendance record of a student. Components of mobile form: student selection drop-down, attendance status. Sa student selection po, pwede pong i-select yung mga student na enrolled na, and then sa attendance status po, pwede pong i-input yung present, absent, late, excused, para po ma-mark po yung status ng student. Date picker, kung kailan po siya nag-attend ng class na late or nag-absent. Sa error success messages, shows response when submissions are successful or in case of error such as missing fields or connection issues. Yung features naman po ng proposed features of the proposed system: user authentication to secure login of administrators or teachers and students, ensures the protection of personal data and proper permission. Student registration: admin can create the registration of student in the class by taking the important information such as name, ID, course, gender, age, and address. Attendance management: attendance for student in various class sessions can be marked by teachers in real-time. Multiple status options like present, absent, late, or excuse will be provided. Mobile compatibility: the system is fully optimized for mobile devices, meaning users can access and manage attendance while on the go. Data synchronization. Attendance information is automatically renewed for a real-time updated across devices and users. Reporting and analytics. Admins and teachers can generate detailed reports on attendance. Detailed reports on attendance, analyze trends in student and performance, identify patterns.
Chapter 3 Coding. 3.1 Features of jQuery Mobile. jQuery Mobile is an HTML5 based lightweight cross-platform responsive framework used for constructing mobile-friendly responsive web applications. Some of the key features of jQuery Mobile are plenty of built-in events for touch support, a lot of UI elements, themes customization, and Ajax base page. Navigation for smooth page transitions with load time. It delivers a responsive design where by application adjust to a range of screen size and devices. This is compliant with major mobile platforms and browsers. Therefore, this reduces third-party plugins with it becomes a piece of cake. Due to this framework offers much is for mobile application development by maintaining consistency in the user's experience, along with native-like functionality across devices. 3.2 Pictures of language or JavaScript and PHP. 3.2 The JavaScript language is dynamic of high level and scripting, therefore it is important to be used by developers in website development, application, and web development covers updates on the web page, making dynamic change to it. And their update in runtime, it executes client-side for quicker responses, supports dynamic typing flexibility, and it guarantees cross-browser compatibility. It also provides events driven for user interaction and asynchronous programming using promises and async or await that help in performance enhancement by not blocking the execution. Its advantage are ease of use. Web browsers support was libraries and frameworks such as React and Angular plus interaction with HTML and CSS. It is universal, allowing developers to build both front end and back end applications such as using Node.js, hence allowing a unified development environment. 3.2 PHP is a server-side language commonly used in web development. Its salient features include smooth integration with HTML, compatibility with various databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and others. Besides having a vast library of built-in function, it is open source platform, independent, and highly scalable for projects of all sizes, fully supporting both object-oriented and procedural programming. PHP is flexible in both ways. And then chapter 4, conclusion and recommendation. 4.1 Conclusion. Conclusion: the students' attendance management system encompasses the various means through which institutions can maintain proper tracking and management of the attendance of their students. They ensure by utilizing the functionality of mobile accessibility in real-time data synchronous, a much easier recording of attendance and minimizing of the workload, easy to use interface with provided for teachers, students, and administrations in order to improve users' experience. Its features are solid. Authentication is secure. Secure attendance status maintained and reporting done in detail. All in all, it will provide for efficient monitoring and analysis of student attendance. Eventually, the whole educational institutional mechanism will work in the best manner as the system helps in improving students' engagement and accountability and allows the administrators to draw useful inferences from student behavior and attendance patterns. 4.2 Recommendation. It is recommended that the student's attendance management system be adopted by educational institution to ease the process of managing attendance and reduce manual errors. In addition, for further enhancement, the integration of more features in the system, such as automatic reminders for students and teachers, real-time notification, and the ability to generate customized attendance reports. It is useful. It is also advised to ensure regular updates and system maintenance to keep you up with technological advancement and user needs. This would be further enhanced through the training of teachers and staff in how to use system, ensuring data security and developing safety. Very important, finally, other functionalities of the system such as grading or scheduling could be developed to further enhance its usefulness to educational institution. Formatting: number 1, font; 2, size; 3, spacing; 4, chapter tiles; 5, margins; Times New Roman 12, size 12. Formatting: font Times New Roman, size 12; spacing double; chapter tiles 14 bold; margins left 1.5, the rest 1 point. Yun lang po.